velocity natin is 0, so magka-cancel out yan. So atin namang pag-uusapan ang freely falling bodies. Things fall because of the force of gravity. When a falling object is free of all restraints of friction with the air or otherwise and falls under the influence of gravity alone, the object is in the state of free fall. So the equations involved here, so there are 4. Okay? Kung ano yung equation natin doon sa kinematics, yun din yung yun. Kaya lang, ang naiba is yung direction which is in the y axis. At saka yung A which is nagiging G siya. Kasi ito yung gravitational acceleration na may value na negative 9.8 meter per second square. Negative siya in the sense na yung direction is laging pababa. So in this topic, so there are types of problems that maybe we can encounter. Okay. So yung una is yung object na nahulog or hinulog na yung initial velocity is 0. And then, yung pangalawa, you apply a initial velocity pero pataas siya, upward yung direction niya. And then yung pangatlo is yung you apply an initial velocity directly downward. So yan yung mga scenario na yung mga problems na pwede nating ma-encounter dito sa discussion natin. So let us try to find out. First problem. So a stone is dropped from the top of the tall building as figure indicates. After 3 seconds of free fall, what is the displacement y of the stone? Meaning to say, the initial velocity is 0 and ano na yung displacement niya after 3 seconds. So ano yung mga given? First, so ito yung equation na gagamitin natin. And then, automatic yung G natin is negative 9.8 meter per second. And then yung given is yung time, which is 3 seconds. Okay. So, by performing it, substituting the values, so we have 1/2. Since dito sa equation na ito, yung initial velocity natin is 0. So, magka-cancel out yan, mawawala yan. So, ito na lang yung natira. So, 1/2 minus 1/2 times negative 9.8 meter per second square times 3 second square. So, pag kinumpute natin yan, ang makuha natin is negative 44.1 meters. Negative in the sense na pababa yung direction. So, next problem. A robot probes a camera off the rim of a 239 meter high cliff on Mars, where the free fall acceleration is negative 3.7 meter per second square. A. Find the velocity with which the camera hits the ground. B. Find the time required for it to hit the ground. Meaning to say, okay, so given dito yung height, yung y niya, and then yung acceleration niya is negative 3.7 kasi nasa Mars siya. Then ang tinatanong dito is the final velocity nung nandun na siya sa baba. And then yung time required para dun hanggang makarating siya sa baba. Okay, so dalawa yung kukunin natin. So let us try to find out the given. So meron tayong displacement of the distance from the top of the cliff. Then yung g which is negative 3.7 meter per second square. So ang hinahanap natin is yung final velocity. And then yung time. So ito yung equation na gagamitin natin since meron naman siyang acceleration due to gravity at saka yung y. So initial velocity natin dito is 0 since nabitiwan lang naman. And then ito na, i-substitute lang natin yung mga values dito. So, magiging square root of 0 plus 2 times negative 3.7 meter per second square times 239 meters. So, yung negative dito, ito yung indication lang ito ng direksyon. Kasi pag pinerform ito tapos in square root mo, magiging math error yan. So, tatanggalin mo muna yan para makuha mo yung sagot. Kasi pag nilagay mo yan, magiging tawag dito, math error. So, magiging ganito ang kalabasan niya, which is ang sagot is negative 42.05 meter per second. That is the final velocity as the object or the camera hits the ground. Negative in the sense na pababa yung direksyon. Ibig sabihin, yung direction ng final velocity natin is pababa. Kaya negative siya. Kaya meron siyang negative dito. Okay? How about the time? Yung time, ganito naman yung equation niya. Na-derive ito doon sa equation natin na yung third equation natin. So, ganun din, yung y natin is 239 meters at saka yung g is negative 3.7. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, yung negative is, that is only an indication that the direction is downward. Okay. So, wala namang negative na time. Kaya, positive din yan. Okay. So, ang sagot is 11.3 seconds. So, meaning to say, at time 11.3 seconds, ito yung velocity niya at doon na yung nag-drop off na yung camera doon. Sabihin, nakarating na yung camera sa ground at this time. So, that's it. Okay. So, let us try again. In the problem number 2, a football game customarily begins with a coin toss to determine who kicks off first. The referee tosses the coin up with an initial speed of 5 meters per second. In the absence of air resistance, how high does the coin go above its point of release? Okay, so toss coin. Siyempre, ang direksyon ng coin is pataas. So, ang tinatanong dito is, how high? Gaano daw kataas? Y ang tinatanong. Pero saka meron siyang initial speed. Now, paano yung computation nito? Kayo ang gagawa nun kasi ang sagot nandito na. So, kung ganito yung mapalabas mong sagot doon sa solution mo, ibig sabihin tama yung ginawa mo. Pero pag hindi, ulitin mo pa rin para makuha mo. Para sa ganun is ma-practice mo at mapalabas mo ito. Pag napalabas mo din, tama na yung solution mo. Okay. So, yung problem na ito, lalabas ko kung paano yung solution niya in the next video. Okay, thank you.